For the first time, an international team led by researchers from the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology have managed to sequence multiple individuals from a remote Neanderthal community in Siberia. The researchers were also able to use the 13 genomes to provide a glimpse into the social organization of a Neanderthal community. They appear to have been a small group of close relatives, consisting of 10 to 20 members, and communities were primarily connected through female migration. To explore the social structure of Neanderthals, the researchers turned their attention to southern Siberia, a region that has previously been very fruitful for ancient DNA research, including the discovery of Denisovan hominin remains at the famous Denisova cave. From work done at that site, we know that Neanderthals and Denisovans were present in this region over hundreds of thousands of years, and that Neanderthals and Denisovans have interacted with each other, as the finding of a child with a Denisovan father and a Neanderthal mother has shown. First Neanderthal community. In their new study, the researchers focused on the Neanderthal remains in Chadrzyrskaya and Okladnikov caves, which are within 100 kilometers of Denisova cave. Previous studies of a fossil toe from Denisova cave showed that Neanderthals inhabited the Altai Mountains considerably earlier as well, around 120,000 years ago. Genetic data shows though, that the Neanderthals from Chadrzyrskaya and Okladnikov caves are not descendants of these earlier groups, but are closer related to European Neanderthals. This is also supported by the archaeological material. The stone tools from Chadrzyrskaya cave are most similar to the so-called Mycoquean culture known from Germany and Eastern Europe. The researchers also found a pair of second-degree relatives, a young boy and an adult female, perhaps a cousin, aunt or grandmother. The combination of heteroplasmies and related individuals strongly suggests that the Neanderthals in Chadrzyrskaya cave must have lived, and died, at around the same time. The fact that they were living at the same time is very exciting. This means that they likely came from the same social community. So, for the first time, we can use genetics to study the social organization of a Neanderthal community, says Lauritz Skov, who is first author on this study. This is much lower than those recorded for any ancient or present-day human community, and is more similar to the group sizes of endangered species at the verge of extinction. By comparing the genetic diversity on the Y chromosome, which is inherited father to son, with the mitochondrial DNA diversity, which is inherited from mothers, the researchers could answer the question, was it the men or the women who moved between communities? They found that the mitochondrial genetic diversity was much higher than the Y chromosome diversity, which suggests that these Neanderthal communities were primarily linked by female migration. Despite the proximity to Denisova cave, these migrations do not appear to have involved Denisovans. The researchers found no evidence of Denisovan gene flow in the Chadrzyrskaya Neanderthals in the last 20,000 years before these individuals lived. Our study provides a concrete picture of what a Neanderthal community may have looked like, says Benjamin Peter, the last author of the study. It makes Neanderthals seem much more human to me. Skov, L., Payrain, S., Popley, D. et al. Meet the first Neanderthal family. Ancient genomes of 13 Neanderthals provide a rare snapshot of their community and social organization. Science Daily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.